The black bird shown in the picture is one of the most unique and famous birds from the Amazon rainforests. What is the name of the species of this bird?
Correct. The toucan is the right answer.
Identify the special plants that store water in their leaves. Animals like frogs use these pockets of water for laying their eggs. Good job. Your answer, bromeliads, works well here. The dash of the rivers Ganga and Brahmaputra form the Ganga-Brahmaputra basin. Well done. Tributaries is the right choice. The Ganga-Brahmaputra Delta is the largest delta in the world, and it is also known as the Sundarbans Delta. Which major cities of India and Bangladesh flank this delta? On track. Kolkata and Dhaka is the correct answer. Identify the ant-eater animal, which is found in Amazon. Well picked. Tapir is the correct answer. Name the animal showed in the following picture. Right choice. One-horned rhinoceros is the best answer. When Daesh explorers discovered the Amazon rainforest, they were attacked by a group of local tribes wearing headgears and grass skirts. Right again. Spanish is a valid answer. What is the name of the bird shown below? Clear logic. Your choice toucan is sound and 100% true. Where is one-horned rhinoceros found? Perfect. Ganges Brahmaputra pine is the correct choice. What is the cultivation of land? Where farmers clear a piece of land by slashing or cutting down trees and bushes known as. Excellent choice. Slash and burn cultivation is the right answer. What type of practice is this? Correct response. Contour ploughing is the most accurate answer. As Daesh and fishing are uncertain, it is the women who keep their families alive by feeding them the vegetables they grow. Great thinking. Hunting is the right choice. This program aims at dash. You chose conserving River Ganga, and it is correct. The Amazon River, which drains this region, flows from the mountains in the west and reaches the dash in the east. Nice selection. Atlantic Ocean is the correct and valid answer. In which country does the Ganges join the Brahmaputra to form one of the largest river basins in the world? Good thinking. Bangladesh is the right answer. Dash is a way of cultivating land where farmers clear a piece of land by cutting down trees and bushes. Smart pick. Slash and burn is the correct choice. In which of the following states can we find coniferous trees like pine, deodar, and fir? Nice work. You chose Sikkim and it is correct. What provides birds in rainforests with shelter from predators and the rainy climate? You're right. Canopy is the correct answer. The delta area of the Ganga-Brahmaputra basin is covered with which of these forests? Solid response. Mangrove forests is a valid choice. Question 1. Which of the following areas are thick bamboo groves commonly found? Excellent. Brahmaputra pine is a brilliant choice. The main river, along with its tributaries that drain an area that forms dash. Exactly. A basin makes sense and it is right choice. What is the main occupation of the people living in Ganga-Brahmaputra basin?
Well reasoned. Agriculture is the correct choice.
What kind of agriculture do the people of the Amazon basin use to cultivate? You got it. Your choice slash and burn agriculture is right. At night, the temperature goes down in the Amazon basin, but the humidity dash.
Bravo. Remains high is the answer.
Large apartment like houses with steeply slanting roofs are called malokas.
Strong choice. True is the right answer.
Which of the following is grown underground by the native people of Amazon?
Valid point. Cassava is true.
Some families in rainforests live in thatched houses which is shaped like.
Sharp thinking. Beehives is the right choice.
The place where a river flows into another body of water is called dash.
Nicely done. River's mouth is a solid answer.
To conserve the river Ganga, Dash Ganga program has been initiated.
Great job. Nanami is the accurate answer.
In the Amazon basin, the day temperatures are high with dash humidity.
Smart move. Very high is an accurate answer.
In 1970, Dash Amazon Highway made all parts of the forest accessible.
Well done. Trans is the right choice.
Maloka is the name of the apartment like houses in the Amazon jungle.
Solid response. True is a valid choice.
The largest and thickest forests found in the Amazon basin are called.
Great thinking. Evergreen equatorial forests is the right choice.
The forests in the Ganga-Brahmaputra basin are mostly dash deciduous.
You chose tropical, and it is correct.
The forests are in fact so thick that the dense roof is created by.
Bravo. Leaves is the answer.
The dash area provides the most suitable land for human habitation.
Valid point. Plain is true. Dash is situated on the confluence of the rivers Ganga and Yamuna. Correct response. Allahabad is the most accurate answer.
What is the staple diet of the people in Ganga-Brahmaputra basin?
Excellent choice. Fish and rice is the right answer.
Dash is a plantation crop grown in the Ganga-Brahmaputra basin.
Sharp thinking. Tea is the right choice. When was the construction of the Trans-Amazon Highway finished? You got it. Your choice 1970 is right.
Which of the following is the largest river basin in the world?
Well reasoned. Amazon basin is the correct choice. Which of the following plants can store water in their leaves? Perfect. Bromeliads is the correct choice.
Which country is the largest producer of mohair in the world?
Right again. South Africa is a valid answer.
Cash crops grown in the Ganga-Brahmaputra basin include dash.
Smart pick. Sugarcane and jute is the correct choice.
On which riverbank are Kanpur, Varanasi, Allahabad located?
You're right. Ganga is the correct answer.
The staple food of Amazon is manioc. What is its other name?
Smart move. Cassava is an accurate answer.
In which of the following area tea is grown in plantations?
Nice work. You chose West Bengal and Assam, and it is correct.
Women of warrior tribes in Roman Empire were called Amazons.
Exactly. True makes sense and it is right choice.
What are the crops grown by the people of the Amazon basin?
On track, tapioca, pineapple is the correct answer. The Ganga originates from the Dash glacier in the Himalayas. Nicely done. Gangotri is a solid answer. To conserve the river Ganga, which program was initiated? Clear logic. Your choice, Namami, is sound and 100% true. What are the characteristics of the Amazon basin climate?
Correct. Hot and wet is the right answer.
The large apartment-like houses have steep, slanting roofs.
Strong choice. Maloka is the right answer.
In which of the following cities can we find Imambara? Great job! Lucknow is the accurate answer. Name the continent in which the Amazon basin is located.
Nice selection. South America is the correct and valid answer.
What is the shape of thatched houses in Amazon basin? Good thinking. Beehive is the right answer.
What is widely practiced by the Amazon basin tribes?
Good job. Your answer, shifting agriculture, works well here.
In which state is Manas Wildlife Sanctuary located?
Right choice. Assam is the best answer. Who was the European to discover the Amazon River? Well picked. Vicente Yanez Pinzon is the correct answer.
In which state is Kaziranga National Park located? Excellent. Assam is a brilliant choice. How is the climate of Amazon basin characterized?
Valid point. By hot and wet is true.
What is the main occupation of Brahmaputra basin?
Well reasoned. Agriculture is the correct choice.
Which rivers flow through the subtropical region?
Great thinking. Ganga Brahmaputra is the right choice.
Which kind vegetation can be seen in rainforests?
Perfect. Shade-tolerant vegetation is the correct choice.
Which type of forests are found in Amazon basin?
Excellent choice. Evergreen equatorial forest is the right answer. The delta area is covered with the Dash forests.
Smart pick. Mangrove is the correct choice.
Name the flesh-eating fish in the Amazon jungle.
Good thinking. Bull is the right answer.
In which continent is the Amazon basin located?
You chose South America, and it is correct.
The flesh-eating fish found in the Amazon River.
Well done. Piranha is the right choice.
The staple food in the rainforest area is dash.
Bravo. Manioc is the answer.
Which mountain is present in the Amazon basin?
Good job. Your answer, Andes Mountains, works well here.
A coniferous tree found in Brahmaputra basin.
Strong choice. Pine is the right answer.
The inhabitants of the Amazon basin were Dash.
Well picked. American Indians is the correct answer.
Dash is the largest river basin in the world.
You're right. Amazon is the correct answer.
A cash crop grown in Ganga Brahmaputra basin.
Nice work. You chose sugar cane and it is correct.
Where is the Kaziranga National Park located? Right choice. Assam is the best answer. The elevation of bushlands and grasslands is
Sharp thinking. Between 1,000 nair and 2,000 nair is the right choice.
Which explorer discovered the Amazon River? Smart move. Spanish is an accurate answer. In which ocean does the Amazon River drain? Great job. Atlantic Ocean is the accurate answer.
Where is the one-horned rhinoceros found?
Nice selection. Brahmaputra pine is the correct and valid answer.
The Amazon basin lies in the Dash region.
Nicely done. Equatorial is a solid answer. Hattlerfish are found in the Amazon River. Clear logic. Your choice false is sound and 100% true.
The growth of vegetation depends on Dash.
Right again. Temperature and moisture is a valid answer. Cotton textiles are abundantly found in. Correct. Ganga pine is the right answer. The Sundarban Delta is covered with Dash. Exactly. Mangrove forests make sense, and it is right choice. Cash crops of Brahmaputra basin are excellent. Sugarcane and jute is a brilliant choice. Swachh Bharat mission was launched on.
You got it. Your choice 2nd October 2014 is right.
The Amazon basin is present in Dash. Solid response. South America is a valid choice. The tourism spot in Lucknow is Dash. On track. Mambara is the correct answer. Where are the Bengal tigers found? Correct response. Sundarban's Delta is the most accurate answer. The Amazon basin is referred as on track. Equatorial region is the correct answer.
Kolkata is located on the river.
Exactly. Hooghly makes sense and it is right choice. Cash crops of Amazon basin are great thinking. Coffee and maize is the right choice.
Deodars and firs are a type of.
Good thinking. Coniferous trees is the right answer. Manioc is the staple food of. You chose Amazon basin, and it is correct.
Where is Bengal tiger found?
Clear logic. Your choice Sundarban's Delta is sound and 100% true. Bengal tigers are found in. Solid response. Sundarbans is a valid choice. Tea gardens are found in. Assam and West Bengal is the answer. Toucans are the type of. Well reasoned. Birds is the correct choice. Sugarcane is a type of. Perfect. Cash crops is the correct choice. Silkworm is used in. You got it? Your choice sericulture is right. Water belts? Smart move. Temperate grasslands is an accurate answer. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format? Strong choice. Contact Narayan Changder on Facebook is the right answer.